This Red Wolf brake light backup camera is purpose-built for Chevrolet Express and GMC Savana vans, integrating neatly into the factory third brake light location for an original equipment look. The camera delivers clear visibility behind long cargo vans, giving drivers much better awareness when backing into tight loading bays or crowded streets. Its strong night performance, helped by multiple infrared emitters, makes reversing in unlit alleys or dark job sites far less stressful. Weather sealing, with a high ingress protection rating, keeps the camera functioning reliably through heavy rain, road spray, and winter slush. Installation is straightforward because it replaces the existing brake light housing and uses a standard video connector compatible with many aftermarket head units and monitors. A simple wiring option allows you to enable or disable on-screen parking guidelines, so you can tailor the view to your personal preference and parking style.